Meteorologist Damon Matson is back with us on this Wednesday. Damon, it has been a beautiful day. Definitely great for a stroll.
Oh, fantastic. And I'm happy to hear, too, everybody's enjoying the day despite the gray skies. Now, if we could have got that combination of these kind of temperatures and sunshine, oof, it would have been amazing. But hey, we'll take little wins where we can get them. Now, we have had slightly cooler temperatures, a little bit of a spread, if you will, back up through Frederick, Montgomery, Howard, and Carroll counties. Still in the 40s for the most part. That has something to do with the snowfall that was still on the ground, at least for the most part at the start of the day. And yeah, we've had the clouds, too, keeping those temperatures slightly cooler. And how about D.C. even still staying in the upper 40s at 48. But meanwhile, look at this, southern Maryland, back down I-95 in Virginia, over toward the Shenandoah Valley, and even into the Allegheny front in western Maryland. It made it into the 50s as we broke past the freezing mark, and we went well above that. This is the warmest we've been in several days, even weeks at this point, because the entire month of December, up to this point, we've had below average temperatures. But there you go. We've all ended up at least 10 degrees warmer than yesterday's high, and some of us even got warmer than that. Now, here are those stubborn clouds. There is still some clearing back through the I-68 corridor, a little bit too in southern Maryland, but right through the heart of the region, this cloud deck has been stubborn. It will finally start to kick east of us tonight, but that is expected to be short-lived as more clouds will be rolling in by tomorrow with the next storm system and a pretty strong cold front sweeping in. So there you go. There will be a little bit of sunshine to start the day on Thursday, but there you go. We'll be turning gray through the afternoon. Now, rainfall, it is not expected until we get into the evening time, and this is the first wave of lighter rain showers that will be crossing the DMV starting around 7 p.m., working through the first half of the night. As we head toward midnight, there's likely to be a little bit of a lull as we wait for the actual cold front to arrive, which at this point, it's expected to sweep through during the early morning hours on Friday, and this is going to pack a punch. We're going to have a line of gustier showers, even some steady rainfall sweeping through as we head into the morning commute on Friday. Now, this will be moving at a pretty fast pace. It's not going to stick around one part of the region for more than a half an hour or an hour even, but still, it's going to be a decent dose of soggy weather for the start of your day. We could even have a few rumbles of thunder out there before things start clearing up rapidly then the rest of the day on Friday. Now, given our ongoing droughts, well, we're still looking at a pretty healthy dose of rainfall out of this system. Many of us could approach 3/4 of an inch before all is said and done. But given the fact that we are expecting this amount of rainfall, plus that melted snowfall that's going to be out there for some of us, well, the ground's going to be a bit saturated right as we start to get some stronger winds. That's also what's expected to come along with this cold front. There you go. You see those winds picking up ahead of that front as we head into early Friday morning, and then we'll see another burst of stronger winds during the day Friday, gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour out of the west. So it's not out of the question. We could see a couple of downed tree branches, perhaps a downed power line or two, but overall we're not expecting anything major from that wind. It gets chillier but calmer on Saturday, and then we'll still hang out in the 40s and 50s as we head on toward Christmas Day.
All right.